Okay. Hi guys, we're here at the Pulsar booth at IWA 2022. I'm here with Judas, and he'll show us some of the new products that Pulsar has brought over this year. We're gonna start with a couple of riflescopes, and then we'll see at the end the big news. Judas, can you show us what you have in your hands right now?
So what I have here is a Thermion LRF XP50 Pro. Basically, we took our Thermion, added a laser rangefinder to it, still kept a nice classical style body to it, and we have that in 3 sensor versions, XP, XQ, and XG. And there's another XG device here. For those who don't know, XG is our 640 12 micron sensor, right? Yes. Which previously we could only use that in US. Now we're going to be able to use those in Europe as well. And we put it in the Talion body, which is a brand new rifle scope. We showed it at the SHOT Show. We have it here. This one's going to be an XG and XQ sensor versions. Really nice focus. All the controls are here. You can swap in and out the battery.
So this is less of a traditional design, but more practical for the field, for the hunter to be able to use its best features in the fastest.
It's smaller, it's lighter, so again, depending on your setup and what you're hunting, this could be the thing for you to go. And then from the scopes to binoculars, we now have 5 versions of the Axions.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Axion XM30F, Axion 2 XQ and XG versions, and then we have the LRF, which we upgraded again. Mm-hmm. So for the XQ version, we have the 35mm lens now. Mm-hmm. We had something that was missing was video recording and Wi-Fi. It's
especially this model, yes.
Yes, so it's there now. You can have it. Also, a very good thing is now on the XQ, the battery life is about 10-11 hours.
Okay, so much more.
We managed to make the electronics far more efficient and therefore have much more battery life, right? And also, we have the XG version. So all of our XG, this is again 640 12 micron products, mm-hmm. be it Axion, Talion, or Thermion, are to hit the market about May, June, so mid-year. The other ones, the XQs, will be available March, April, so coming really, really soon. But yeah, this one, very useful, very light with the laser rangefinder. You don't need it, you have a version without it. And again, those are going for pretty damn good prices.
Now, we kept the new for the last, and this is it.
So another thing where I couldn't believe when our R&D team brought it to us, I couldn't believe that they actually managed to do it. So we took the Accolade binoculars, right?
Yes.
Turn it into daytime optic form factor.
Yeah.
And what we have here is we have the 50mm 1.0 lens, yes. Thermal lens here. And on this side we have the laser rangefinder. It's the 640 17 micron 25 millikelvin NETD sensor.
Yes.
Super sharp, super crisp, super sensitive. And
with that huge dynamic range due to the fact that it has a 25 millikelvin sensibility.
Oh yeah. And again, if we're here looking at different devices inside the expo where there's a lot of contrast, like temperature contrast,
yes,
most of the devices will look super good.
Yes, let's go on the snow and let's see how they perform.
Snow might still be okay, but fog,
yeah,
heavy rain, most of the devices start showing worse. Even this is going to show far worse there than here, but the main difference is you will still be able to see the trees, you will still be able to notice all those details, which a lot of other devices will not be able.
We'll just give you a sea of gray.
Yeah, it's just going to be what we call a milk, that's it. But yeah, this one, really cool device. It has both internal and external battery. Mm-hmm. So if you run out of battery, you have it in, you just replace it, and that's it. You have another extra hours on it.
Okay. Thank you so much, and continue following all4hunters.com.
Thank you very much.